Amen. Yes, sir.
It's spicy. You know if they give me a cup of mayo?
It's good to eat too.
Oh, this lighting's not okay.
Yeah, I know. It's cool, but no, we're at Whataburger right now.
For real. Is that too bad?
We're at Whataburger right now. It's Julia's first time eating it. You think it's gonna be good?
Yeah. That's cute.
She don't care right now, y'all. She too busy trying to post a picture on Instagram. But yeah, I told y'all about my do-rag. Fire, man. Skin all soft. And this lighting got me looking ashy though.
She's so cold.
They need to hurry up with our food.
Is it bad to shave your arms?
Huh?
Is it bad to shave your arms?
Is it bad to shave your arms? I don't know, ask Julia that. Is it bad to shave your arms?
Why would you shave your arms? Because I got all this right here. No, don't shave your arms. It'll grow back even.
Yeah, it'll grow back bad. And then you start looking like me. I don't got that much hair on my arms actually. You start having your hair on your arms start looking like my hair on my legs. This lighting is like bad, bro. It's bad. Hey, I'm sorry, y'all, but Julia, she's not interested.
That is bad. That's horrible. I know the lighting is just really bad.
Until this food comes, it's gonna be smackdown.
I got bacon. Tell me what you got.
Huh? What'd you get?
I got bacon, cheese, fries.
Oh, you got the number 5 basically. I got the bacon and cheese Whataburger. Bacon and cheese Whataburger.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got that too. And, you know, I can't have no pickles on there. She's got a dope cheeseburger. You know, she can't eat that much. Julia's actually gluten free, so she can't eat the bun. So y'all gonna see when they get here. Ain't that right?
That is right.
She be pooping all day.
That's not what happens. I'm just allergic to it.
I'm just talking, y'all. I'm so hungry though, I got a headache. For real.
Should I come with a string for my birthday? I don't want it.
I don't know, it don't matter.
My hair grew a lot.
Nah, I was just sat over there watching on it while over.
What?
Huh? That boy act like he never want to be in the camera, his little bum himself. You bum.
I love being on camera.
Yeah, I know you do.
A lot of people camera shot.
You gonna be a model?
People say I should be a model because I have long legs.
Yeah, you can possibly be a model actually. Well, little sis probably, she always like taking pictures.
She said she was going to come
It's annoying with it though.
You don't want to go to the White Museum?
What?
You want to go to the White Museum?
Is that where you guys were at that one time?
I don't like museums.
No, it's cool though. Yeah, it's cool.
Eddie Murphy is
And you
whole
see
body.
Jesus,
Like,
Oh, you see bodies?
the cross and stuff.
like
You see
Oh,
Beyonce.
yeah, I don't like museums.
they make him look like you.
It's like Beyonce.
I think I actually been to a wax museum before.
Yeah.
Stop! You guys up here trying to take my camera. I want to show them I'm eating Whataburger. You're up here trying to mess with my stuff. Oh!
Yours gonna be nasty.
Mine will be fire. I should have got toast on it instead of the bun.
You should have got what I got. My patty, that's kind of patty milk.
I don't want no patty milk.
It's a double cheeseburger with jalapeno.
Hey, if I'm not full, I'm gonna get smoked. Huh? I'm buy it.
I bet y'all won't.
I was like, do you guys have a gluten-free bun? He said, we have a wheat bun. I said, what? I said, okay, I'll take it without the bun.
Uh-oh, here they come. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, 20. Right here. Here go 20.
Thank you. Yeah.
Give me just 1 second, I'll be right back with the little tray.
Okay, thank you.
Where our food is? It's like bad. It's too bright. Like, it's not even bright in here. And it's still like real
Wait,
bright.
we have a separate order? We got a separate order?
Oh, I don't know. I think they're bringing it.
No, then.
Bobbing. Feel me? Excuse me.
Regular or spicy?
I'm dead. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I was wondering if I could have some honey mustard.
Honey mustard?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me a second, I'll get that for you. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.
No, they're fine.
Uh-oh, they actually did it right this time. This looks like Taco Bell, though. Tell me I don't look like
This
Taco
is what
Bell.
happens when you're gluten-free.
Say your first. What's your food?
All right, bet.
God is good, God is
Amen. I see you, sis.
Honey bun.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna need a fork. I mean, yeah, a fork.
A fork, honey mustard. Can you go get a fork
No, you don't have to give me
and
one.
a knife?
Hold on.
And a knife.
Do you guys have forks?
Thank you.
Yes.
Can I have a fork, please?
Just one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And a knife. Actually, yeah, and a knife.
Okay. got it.
Thank you.
Wait, I'm confused because it says mayo then.
What? No, this is mine.
Why would I get no mayo?
No onion. You should have put it. You should have told them.
Here, do not turn.
Tell me that. Tell me that look like. What is that?
Mustard.
Mustard?
Julius,
No, it's mine.
it's mustard.
Thank
Mustard?
you.
Thank you guys, y'all
I
enjoy.
told 'em mayo and mustard. Yup. Tell me, they fries don't look like McDonald's.
They're fries are good.
I know, they fries look like McDonald's fries. Oh yes, sir. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
This looks good as heck.
They don't look like that good, but I mean, it's still really good. We actually need to go to In-N-Out.
You gonna eat your tomato?
Wait,
They're good.
Look at her, she hungry.
this got mold on it.
What the?
Mold?
Where?
What? It's not mold.
What is it?
Girl, that's your neck. Don't eat it though. It's not mold. If you it's just not mold.
I thought it was mold.
Thank you.
Babe, what you think so far? It's alright?
Yeah, but it's probably way better with the bun.
Yeah.
Yeah. It just tastes like a regular cheeseburger to me. Is that honey mustard? Why does it look like that?
It looked like I don't know if you ever had Popeye's honey mustard.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh yes, sir.
It's spicy. You know if they could give me a cup of mayo? A small cup of mayo?
Go ask. Get another thing of honey mustard too.
I don't know.
Babe, you're not even focused on eating.
Sorry, I was
You focus on the ground.
on the ground. True.
You running up
Okay,
the
that's
time.
actually good. What is this though?
Mustard.
Regular mustard?
Mm-hmm.
No. Our camera's gonna die.
Baby, you running up the time now. I ain't tripping. Cause we love y'all.
This honey mustard makes it good.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for this honey mustard.
But I'm about to get you some now, so.
These, they look like McDonald's.
Alright.
And they kind of taste like a little.
Yeah, just a little bit.
This honey mustard though,
Yeah.
That was Terrell's.
What?
She said, don't get something.
What?
I don't know. Oh, she said don't get up no more. I only got up once.
you're gonna be mad when I untie this.
We need to once we try In and Out, then we can
Is that mayonnaise?
then we can do like a taste test.
Oh yeah, we should do a mukbang.
Let me use some. This is kind of like a mukbang.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like a mukbang, basically.
I'm so glad you got this honey bun.
Got what? Mayo? Make it taste better.
What y'all want to talk about?
Want to taste mine?
How's life? Yeah, let me taste it. She about to let me taste her sandwich. You better not be nasty.
What'd you get?
It's a patty melt.
What's on it again?
Taste it. You just messed it up. You just messed it up. Pretty good.
I'm about to go up there and get that.
Another one?
Yep.
Sean gonna eat half of his burger.
See, I don't play.
Same thing.
For real? I don't play about burgers though.
I do.
Burgers is fire. Oh no, he not. He ain't throwing none that way. But that's it for the little mukbang today. We'll catch y'all tomorrow.
When are you gonna be the
No, actually.
Let's end this video. Let's end this video.
What?
Let's end this video. Like, close out because it's gonna be so long. If we just keep
I
going
don't
on
care.
and on. Like, if we just keep going on and on in this whole trip.
Yeah. Good. But listen up. We actually gonna see y'all back at the hotel. Just chilling, you feel me? But we'll catch y'all. Love.
Not in the first place.
What's good, YouTube?
Back at the hotel.
Back at the hotel with it, and you know, how would you rate Whataburger for the first time?
I give it a 7.
7. All right, I actually give it a 7.
But it probably would be better with the bun, but obviously you guys know I can't eat the bun. So with a bun, I'm sure it's probably a lot better.
Yeah. All right. So I mean, with the bun, I don't know. I'll probably give it a 7 or an 8 too. But I mean, I was hungry today, so I was
okay.
really
So
smacking.
their honey mustard was just really good.
Yeah, the honey mustard was fire, but
Yeah.
you know.
And their fries were good.
Yeah, we had a cool little light little mukbang. I ain't gonna say no mukbang because it really wasn't a mukbang, but it was at the same time, you know what I'm saying? But we about to close out today's video.
Thank you for watching our little journey to Texas.
Facts, you know what I'm saying? So go hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Yeah. Turn on post notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next video.